Good morning to the people of the tube. Now guys, I just woke up, showered, brushed my teeth, and getting ready to start my day. It's a little late, but what can you do? We drove for a very long time. As you can see in the last video, there were many hours of driving. So, here's the plan today. We're gonna go to Peter. Yeah. Then Peter's gonna help me find the tow truck guy to see how much he will charge to help me lift up my two toolboxes. You know that we have two really big toolboxes. They're kind of heavy. This Penske truck does not have a lift gate. They do not rent lift gates to go out of state. So, I gotta find a tow truck guy to help us hoist the toolbox up into the back of this truck. And then when I get to Florida, we'll deal with it then and there. Reason why we drove a Penske truck from Florida to New Jersey, because it was cheaper than doing a one-way, which you would find it's ridiculous. Okay, I think a one-way cost about $4,000, $5,000. Okay, and a back and forth costs like $2,000, which is ridiculous and weird. But anyway, enough of that. Let us head out, and we are going to get started first by visiting Peter. So for me not to get a ticket while I do this, I'll see y'all when I get there. Alrighty guys, so we just got back from talking with Peter. Apparently we couldn't find the guy to help us. He was so busy, which is understandable. So I guess we are going to just go with the first guy who gave us a price, and we are gonna go see if we can get that done now. So let us head home. I don't know what the heck happened to that car, but I'll see you home. Alrighty guys, so what is going on? We got the toolboxes in the truck. I do want to give a big shout out to K&S Welding in Bergenfield, New Jersey, right next door to Peter, 27 North Street in Bergenfield, New Jersey. I think that's the address. I'll leave the link for the address in the description below for you guys. So if you guys ever are in New Jersey and in Bergenfield or around Bergen County area and you need something welded, you go to K&S Welding. That is the guy who does it for you. So big shout out again to Simon. Thank you so much for helping us load this toolbox in with your truck. I really appreciate it. You have you have no idea how much you really helped us. So thank you so much again for that. Now guys, it is time to continue packing. What we're gonna do, take some of the 2x4 and put it down on the wheels so the wheels do not move. The wheels do not move. So the toolbox doesn't move on us and kill us while we're driving. So we're gonna put these two boxes together, and once they become together, we're gonna start to pack everything in this truck, and we're hoping everything fits so we do not have to make another trip again. See you in a few. Alrighty guys, so it looks like unfortunately we may have to do a 4 trip because that truck is almost full. I got a ton more stuff in here. The couch is for sale. Someone just came and looked at it, so they said they wanted it. We negotiated a deal. They said they'll come back, but I'm leaving tomorrow at 4 a.m. so don't know if that's gonna work. We'll see how well it happens. Maybe they'll come for it again today. Those dressers and closets, they're for sale or gonna be thrown out if no one takes them. And yeah, so I really have the engine stand, my hoist, my oil pan, this power machine, bench press machine, my air compressor, and a bunch of little stuff in here that has to go onto that truck. I don't know if it's gonna fit because we still have stuff inside the house that we gotta get out. So it looks like there's gonna be a 4 trip, and I don't want to do this 4 trip because it sucks. All right, it sucks doing all this long driving, but if it is what it is, if that's what has to be done, it is what it is. You can't do nothing about it. So I'm gonna end this here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I know this is completely different. If you all have any questions about anything car related that you want to know, leave it in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you all out. Other than that, guys, I'll see you all for the next one. Peace.